Hello, hello, Vinaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are others?
Ma'am, I've sent a message on the group. They must be joining.
Should I send a link? Same link I have put in the classroom to be
Yes,
used.
ma'am.
Okay, so 12 to already. Yeah, people are joining. All of you got the notebook for the observation. Vinaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm admitting people. Let us start in 2 to 3 minutes time. Screen is visible. Is screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Let us start our program with respect to our first lab program, which already started writing the create command. Is there any doubt in what we have written till now? Hello? Is there any doubt with respect to whatever we have written in the observation book by now? I want answer.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Finished in the previous class? Hello? I want an answer from one of you. We have finished how many tables creation? No one is answering. Hello? At least Vinaya, you take the lead and answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Yes.
finished six.
We have finished publisher table.
We finished Yes, ma'am. Library program.
Publisher and library program. That is the new name given in 18 scheme. Earlier it was library branch, which was a valid name, but I don't know why they have changed. Anyway, we will use that name only.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it is in the syllabus, we cannot change it. So we have used it as library program instead of library branch. Okay. We have written the primary key for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did we name it? What
Program
was the
ID.
constraint name? PK underscore
LP, ma'am.
LP. Correct.
Yes,
What did
ma'am.
we write? LP ID or LP? What did we
LP,
wrote?
ma'am.
What did we write last time for a primary key?
PK underscore LP, ma'am.
LP. Okay. So, okay. And one more important thing you have to remember, whatever names we are giving for the constraint like PK underscore or FK underscore or UN, it should not repeat for some other constraint. It is should be unique. So if you want to use the same attribute as a foreign key in some other table, okay, or the same attribute with respect to the primary key combination, you have to write a different name. That you have to keep in mind. Is that clear? Hello? Is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
clear? Okay. So can you just, one of you, can you just read out the create table command of library program? Let us cross check. Hello? One of you, please read out the create table of library program. Hello? I want an answer from one of you. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಡ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. Hello? Vinaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rani Supriya, you tell me what is the create command. We wrote already create command for library program. Can you
Library
tell me
program.
the command?
Program underscore ID number of 4, ma'am.
1 second. Start with create table only.
Create table library underscore program
Hmm.
bracket on
Hmm.
program underscore ID
Hmm.
number bracket on 4 bracket close comma
Hmm.
program underscore name
Hmm.
varchar bracket on 50 bracket close comma
Hmm.
address varchar bracket on 15 bracket close comma
Hmm.
constraint pk underscore lp primary key bracket on program underscore id bracket close semicolon.
Semicolon. Correct. All of you are written the same. I want answer from others now. Thanks, Rani. Hello?
Yes,
All of you
ma'am.
are written the same, whatever Rani Supriya said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the next table which we have to write or create? We have created already publisher table with one primary key. Similarly, we created library program which has a primary key. Now tell me which particular table or relation you will create. What is our condition? Any table which has only the primary key should be created first, and then the foreign key table should be created. Correct? That is the logic behind creating the table. So we have created publisher table which had only the primary key. Similarly, we have created library program which has only the primary key. Now, which other table we can create now? Next. See your tables, whatever we have written the table names with attributes, you will be able to identify which particular table or relation should be created next. Can anyone tell me which particular table we have to create next?
My book.
Correct. Why? Because book ID is the primary key in book and publisher name. Okay. Publisher name is available in the publisher table which we have already created. So publisher name becomes our foreign key and book ID becomes our primary key. So let us see how to write the command, create table command for book table. So let us discuss once and then you write. So create table, book is the name of the relation. Open the bracket, next line. The attribute is book underscore ID. The number, we write the data type as number of 5 here. Then next comma, next line. Title of the book. Title of the book we can have varchar. We need not have to write 2 there. 25 is the size because variable characters will be there for the title of the book. And then publisher name. Tell me what is the size and the data type used in publisher table. I want an answer. I want an answer.
Varchar, ma'am.
Varchar and size?
25.
15, ma'am.
So 15 or 25, how much you are given for publisher name? Huh?
15.
15. So always remember, whatever data type and size is given in the primary key attribute, the same data type and size should be given in the foreign key table. That you have to keep in mind. Okay. So now book ID number of 5, that is the primary key, and title we are giving varchar of 25. Publisher name should be same as the name of publisher which is there in publisher table. So it is publisher underscore name varchar of 15. We have given 15. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it should be varchar of 15 again here also. And then publication year is the next attribute. So 4 digits, so number of 4. Which is the primary key here? Book ID. So we write the constraint pk underscore bid, or b only id you can write, but write bid because it will make sense for book id, primary key of book underscore id. Then we have a foreign key with respect to publisher name. So we write constraint fk underscore, you write it as pn. Constraint fk underscore pn, foreign key of publisher underscore name, that is the name of the attribute in this particular table book, references which table publisher, and the attribute corresponding to publisher name in publisher table is name. So publisher of name, and on delete cascade is the option which is used when we delete a particular attribute or a row in a primary key table. It should automatically delete the corresponding record in the foreign key table. That's why we have to use this option on delete cascade bracket close semicolon. Is there any doubt is there with respect to book relation? Hello. Is there any doubt related to book relation creation? Yes or no should be the answer.
No, ma'am.
Now let us write it. Write down. Write everything in capital letters as told in the beginning. So write down the third table. Write the number 3. Create table book. Next line. Open the bracket. Next line. Book underscore ID. Number of 5. Comma. Next line. Title. Varchar of 25. Comma. Next line. Publisher underscore name. Varchar of 15. Why we should write 15? Why we should write 15?
Because we've used 15 in the primary.
We have used 15 varchar in place of primary key name in the publisher table. That is why we have to use the same data type and same size here also. Otherwise, it will have integrity constraint problem. Okay. Next, comma, QB underscore year, that is publication year. People are coming, I am admitting them. 2 seconds. Yeah. So publisher underscore year, that is PUB underscore year, number of 4, because we'll be writing 4 digit for the year, comma, next line, we have to write the constraint with respect to one primary key and one foreign key. So constraint pk underscore bid, primary key of book underscore id, bracket close, comma, next line constraint fk underscore pn, foreign key of publisher name, references publisher of name, on delete cascade, next line bracket close semicolon. If any doubt is there, please ask your doubts. Hope all of you are having a separate observation book. I have already told 200 page long notebook, ruled one I want it for observation book, and similarly for record book also you have to maintain it at present. Later on we don't know when you are going to come to college. At present this is the rule. Finished writing? Any doubt in writing this particular book table?
No, ma'am.
Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next table, which will you be creating? Tell me. Which is the next table you have? Which table you have? Book is over. Then
Book
which other
authors.
remaining tables are book authors, book copies, and book lending. So which one you will create first? Which one you will create first? Hello? Which one you will create first among book author, book copies, and book lending?
Book author.
Hello. Book author. Okay, you can create any one of them because already book ID is created as primary key in the book table. So there is no issues. Even with respect to book copies also, your library program table is created. So program ID is already there as a primary key. So there is no issues. You can use that as a foreign key. Now, let us come with respect to book author. Okay. Now, what is underlined in book author? I have given that particular question to you. Yes or no? In book author, which particular attribute is underlined? I want an answer.
Book ID.
Book ID is underlined. But already book is having a primary key, book ID. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me what best you can do the modification in this particular table so that your entry will be valid. Every book should have a different ID, that is unique ID. Do you agree with me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
one author can write multiple different books. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what
Yes, ma'am.
best I can apply here
Yes, ma'am.
to make the book ID unique with respect to author name? This is a question to you. What best I can apply to make the author's particular book as unique? We have already discussed such things in our company database. Can anyone throw a light on that? Do you want any hint? Do
Yes,
you want
ma'am.
any hint?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you heard of composite primary key?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what is composite primary key?
When there are two or more than one primary
More
key.
than one
Yes, ma'am.
attribute as a primary key. It is called as composite primary key. So what best application we can do is we make book ID and author name combination as composite primary key. Are you getting what I'm telling?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
make book ID as
Yes,
well
ma'am.
as author name together as composite primary key. as well, one of that particular attribute of composite primary key will be a foreign key to book table. That is, book ID will become a foreign key also with respect to book ID, and combination of book ID with author name will become composite primary key. Is that clear? Any doubt in understanding this? So, wherever you have written the table name as book underscore authors, you underline book ID as well as author name. Please underline both book ID as well as author name. Okay? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us go to the create table command of the book authors. In this particular screen which I am displaying, they have not considered the combination of primary key which has to be added. Okay, we have to add it. Otherwise, it does not make any sense. So you write down create table book underscore authors next line, open the round bracket parenthesis. Next line, book underscore ID. What is the data type and size in book table for book ID? I want an answer from you.
Number.
5.
Data type?
Number.
Correct.
Number.
So, same data type, same size. Why I am repeating? Because you have to remember it for all the programs. Wherever
Numbers.
you have used number of 5. That same thing, whatever you have used in the primary key of the book ID should be used in the foreign key table also. Otherwise, it will have integrity constraint error. Okay. So, book underscore ID number of 5. Close the bracket, comma, next line, author underscore name. What data type you will use? What data type you will use?
Varchar.
Varchar. Varchar of, let us say, 15. 15 is sufficient. We will not write more characters for the author name. So let us, we will make it 15. We will keep it 15 only. Okay. Varchar of 15. Bracket close, no semicolon, comma, next line. Can you tell me what will be my next line? What will be my next line? Will be with respect to composite primary key constraint. So, one important thing I wanted to know, if I am writing any changes in the screen, you are able to see that? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever changes I do, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will write the change here. Constraint pk underscore. We have to have composite primary key with respect to book ID and author name. So I say BIDAN, which indicates the book ID and author name with respect to primary key, composite primary key, space, primary key in bracket. As there are two attributes, I will write those attributes by separating a comma. So, book underscore ID, comma, author underscore name, bracket close. So, whenever we write composite primary key, whatever number of attributes are there, we have to write by separating a comma. Any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then put a comma. And then the second part is with respect to foreign key of book ID. So constraint FK underscore BID. I can write BID because it is FK. So I can write BID also. Foreign key of book ID, which is the attribute here, references the table book with the same attribute name book underscore ID. References book underscore ID on delete cascade. Next line, bracket close semicolon. Any doubt here? Is there any doubt? Yes or no? I want an answer.
No, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now, which are the tables remaining? Which are the tables remaining?
ma'am.
What happened? Not complete? Completed or not completed?
Completed.
Completed? Okay. Which are the remaining tables now? Tell me. Which are the tables remaining? Hello.
Book copy and book lending.
Correct. So now we will create book copies table. First, let us understand that in book copies table, which are the attributes underlined? Can you tell me?
Book ID and program ID.
Book ID, program ID. Program ID also is
Book
underlined.
ID and program ID.
Program. Correct. So it is again a composite primary key. So same thing what we did for book authors. In the similar way, we have to write the foreign key as well as primary key. How many foreign keys we should write? In the previous case in book author, there was only one foreign key because book ID was there as a primary key in book table, but author name was the attribute of book author only. So we need not have to write two foreign keys, only one foreign key we wrote. Okay. Now in this case, we have book ID as well as program ID as the foreign key. So two foreign keys and one composite primary key has to be written. So let us start writing it. Create table book underscore copies. Create table book underscore copies. Next line, bracket open. Next line, book underscore ID. What is the data type and size in book table?
Number of 5.
Okay. So write the same data type and size. Then the next one is program underscore ID. Can you tell me what was the program underscore ID data type and size in library program?
Number of 4.
Number of? How much we have written?
Number
4.
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Number of 4. Book ID we wrote 5, is it?
Number of 4.
Book ID. ID, how much we wrote?
5, ma'am.
Hello. How much we wrote
Number
for
of
book
5,
ID?
ma'am.
On 5.
Okay. So here also number of 5. Then we come to number of copies. Okay. So here the data type will be for number of copies. What should be the data type? Hello. Number, correct. Now, what can be the maximum size we can use? For example, here it is showing 2. 2 means it can take up to 99.
99.
It can take up to 99. Is that sufficient for us? Let us go for it as 2 only. Okay?
No, ma'am. 2 or 3.
Yeah. You decide and tell me, we will change accordingly. How much you people want? 3 will be maximum of how much? 999. Correct? 999. Correct or not? How much you people want? Tell me. I will change accordingly. I want answer. Hello? Hello? Are you there? People are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I want an answer. How much size we will make? Shall we make it 3?
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Okay, we will make it 3. I think all of us agree with it. So maximum size which I can have number of copies is 999. That is the meaning. Correct? Instead of having only 99, we have made it to have till 999. 999 copies I can have maximum in the entry. Next, I have to write the constraint. Can you tell me which is the primary key now in this book copies? Hello? Which is the primary key?
Program ID.
Book ID
Composite of
and
book ID and program ID. Program ID.
program ID. Correct. Very good. So, what should we write? PK underscore BID and PID. Can we write this? Can we write this? Yes or no? I want an answer. PK underscore PID indicating that it is the composite primary key with respect to book ID and program ID. So now instead of branch, it is program. So primary key of book ID, comma, program underscore ID. Bracket close, comma, next line. Which are the foreign keys? Which are the foreign keys? Answer from you people. Hello? All of you are there in the class? All of you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not answering? Which are the remaining constraint? 2 foreign constraint we have to write. So constraint FK underscore. I told same name cannot be used. Already in the previous book author, we have used the foreign key constraint as FK underscore BID. So what I will do? I am giving as FK underscore BI. So it is a different name. of the constraint, which is unique. Foreign key of book ID, references book of book ID, which is the attribute in the book table, on delete cascade, which is required if you delete an record from the primary key table. Any doubt in writing this? Yes or no? I want an answer from any one of you. Hello? All of you are there? At least the answer for that. All of you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you not answering? Next attribute foreign key which we are going to write is with respect to program ID. So constraint fk underscore PID, which is not used till now. I can use it. Foreign key of program underscore ID. References library program of program ID. On delete cascade. Next line. Bracket close, semicolon. Any doubt in writing this? Any doubt in writing this? Yes or no? I want an answer. Hello? Hello? All have left the class?
Ma'am.
All have left the class?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you not answering? You have to respond, otherwise how will I know whether you understood or not understood? Whatever we have written, all of you understood? Because in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
lab, I will not tell the answer, you have to tell me the answer. Okay? Agreed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
For the next lab, I will not tell the answer, you have to tell me the answer. Then we will cross check the answer. Okay? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is this clear with respect to book copies? Till book copies, any doubt is there? Anybody has any doubt? Please ask your doubts. This is your first lab. You should get doubts. If you are not getting doubts, it means you are not attending the class properly. No doubt? Yes or no? I want answer. Hello? How many times I should ask the same question?
No doubt, ma'am.
Thank you for the answer. Now
Ma'am,
let us move to the last table, which is book underscore lending. So what are the attributes which are underlined? Can anyone tell me? Which are the
Book,
attributes underlined?
book ID and program
Book
ID.
ID?
Book ID, program ID, and card number.
Card
Correct.
number.
Very good. So that will become your composite primary key. And which foreign key? Which foreign keys? Which foreign keys? Book
Book
ID?
ID and program ID.
Very good. So one composite primary key with book ID, program ID and card number, and two foreign keys separately for book ID and
Program
one
ID.
key for program ID. Very good. So write down now. Create table book underscore lending. Next line, open the bracket. Next line, book underscore ID. What is the data type and size used earlier in the primary key?
Number 5.
Right. So write number of 5, comma, next line. Program underscore ID. What is the data type and size we have used? Answer.
Number of 5.
Number of 4.
Number of 4
Number
we
of
have
4, ma'am.
used now.
4. Yes.
Oh,
ma'am.
so we have to change here to number of 4 for program ID. Then card number is the new attribute in this particular table. So card underscore number, what could be the data type for this? Number. Okay.
Number.
And number of 3. Is it 3 okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It can take up to 999. That is more than sufficient. Okay.
If there are more than means 1,000 students, ma'am.
Huh?
If there are
Want
more than
more
1,000
than
students,
that. Okay. How much you want? Shall we take 4?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us take 4. So it will take up to 9999. So 9,999. Is that sufficient?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is our
Yes, ma'am.
date, comma, next line. Date out. Did I discuss with respect to date data type? Yes or no? Date is a data type which can be used. The format of the date to be entered should be DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. That is the date format in your SQL which you are going to enter. So date underscore out, only specify date as the data type. That is more than sufficient. Comma. Again due date also same thing. Date data type. Comma. Next line. Now first we will write the composite primary key. So constraint pk underscore, what are the attributes you want? Book ID, then program ID and
Program
card
ID.
number.
Card number.
So we can name it as
And card numbers.
BPC. Let us name it as BPC, indicating B for book ID, P for program ID and C for card number. It should be unique. It should not be used anywhere else. Okay. So constraint pk underscore BPC, primary key of book underscore ID, comma, program underscore ID, comma, card underscore NO. Bracket close, comma. Next line. Now, how many foreign keys we have? 2 foreign keys. One is for book ID, Another one is for the program ID. So constraint fk underscore, what name you would like to use? We already used the bi, we already used bid. So let us use bd for this book ID. Foreign key of book ID, references book of book ID. On delete cascade. One more constraint we have, foreign key with respect to the program ID. So fk underscore, what was the foreign key used earlier for program ID? We had used PID. So let us use P. D. Foreign key of program ID. References library underscore program of program ID on delete cascade, next line bracket close semicolon. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes or no? I want an answer. No answer, is it? Hello?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. So finished all the tables? All of you finished all the tables? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no should be the answer. All tables are over with library database successfully?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. Now, when you open your SQL, all of you have downloaded MySQL? I have told this long back to all of you. How many of you have done it? How many of you have done it? Hello? How many of you have downloaded?
Yes, ma'am. We have downloaded.
I want an answer. Downloaded? Is it working? Did you check anything? No? Have you checked something after downloading?
No, ma'am.
Is it working fine?
I haven't checked.
Now, what I want you to do is, if you have that particular MySQL downloaded, open it. All of you try to open it. Let us try whether it is working fine. Are you getting what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your MySQL. All of you are doing that. Hope all of you have downloaded MySQL. I have given sufficient time to all of you. That's why I started your lab late. Because I wanted you to download MySQL. All of you opened the SQL prompt. Yes or no? I want an answer from one of you. Hello? Are you able to open MySQL? Hello? Hello? No answer?
Yes, ma'am. It's
You
still
are able to
loading.
open MySQL?
It's still loading, ma'am. My system is slow.
Okay. Anyone else got it? Anyone who is able to open the SQL prompt? As soon as it opens, you tell me. Because you have to do your lab also online. So let us try to do it as much as possible. Any one of you are able to open? Tell me the status. Hmm. Yes, are you able to get the SQL prompt? I want an answer,
No,
yes
ma'am.
or no.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
You are able to? Any one of you are able to open
Yes,
SQL
ma'am.
prompt?
Yes, ma'am. I am on online prompt now.
You are in the SQL prompt. Can you, I will just stop the screen sharing here. You show me the screen, okay? Who is that? Can I know who is that? Who is getting the screen? Hello?
Ma'am,
Who
it
is
is an
getting the,
online editor.
you are doing it
I am on
online?
an online. Yes, ma'am.
Online, okay. You are doing it online, is it? You are not downloaded
Everyone can
MySQL.
do.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
Now, I will stop sharing. Can you share that screen? Let all of them do it.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am.
explain it,
Everyone
how you
can.
did it, so that all others can do it? I will stop
Anyone
sharing.
can type on Google, ma'am.
1 second. I will stop my sharing. You share your screen and tell all of them
Okay.
how they can also do it. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. No, don't worry. Rohit does. Okay. Rohit Kumar Das is going to explain you how to use MySQL online. Let us try to use it. All are ready? All are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Rohit, can you please tell now to all of them what you did and share your screen also. Rohit? Yeah, Rohit is presenting now.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, something is visible, but not the complete screen. It is only showing the symbol of your Mozilla mic and something else. You have to clearly explain what all of them are supposed to do, okay? So that they get the MySQL prompt.
Ma'am, it is very easy. Go to Google and type online
Tell,
SQL
tell,
means.
whatever you have done, you just explain it. So
Is it
everybody will do
visible,
it
ma'am?
parallelly. No, only that three symbols we are able to see. What about Vinaya? Hello,
Ma'am,
Vinaya?
it's not opening. I'll try the online one, ma'am.
Huh.
The downloaded software is not working.
Okay. Now, Rohit, tell me what you are supposed to do for online. Everybody will do it parallelly.
Yeah, just type on Google online SQL
Okay.
editor.
All of you type in Google online SQL. Wait, Rohit. Let them do. Once everybody finishes, you have to tell. In
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
also you can put.
Yes, ma'am, it's open.
It's working?
Yes, ma'am,
Online
the online
SQL.
one
Have
is
you
open.
typed all of you? I want answer from all of you in chat fast. 2 seconds. It's already one. Another 5 minutes I want to just spend on at least creation of one table there to make you understand. Okay. Vinaya said yes, ma'am. What about others? Ruchita is telling no, ma'am. What no, ma'am? Ruchita, please answer in chat, no? That you are able to open online SQL. Only Vinaya has answered. Fast. Yes. Vaishnav Shukla also said yes. What happened to others? You only typed online SQL or online SQL editor you typed, Rohit?
Both will work, ma'am.
Both will work, no?
Yes, ma'am. There are many editors.
Yeah, I know.
You can try
Which
out and
editor
choose
you have
the.
chosen? That also you tell. Vandana said yes. Tanmay said yes. Huh. Let
It
us
is
use
from
a common
Tutorial
editor.
Points Coding Ground.
Huh?
It is from Coding Ground.
Coding ground.
Yeah, from tutorialspoint.com.
Okay. All of you are able to hear what Rohit is telling?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
repeat, Rohit. Or type it in chat also, please, Rohit. Type it in chat so that everybody will be able to do it. Kirti says yes, ma'am. Vandana says yes. Tanmay says yes. What about others? Total 40 people are there. 40, no, 53 are there. 53 means 52. Right, type in the chat box which particular site they should go and then start. Coding ground from tutorialspoint.com. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Preeti Bai said yes, ma'am. Okay. All of you are now able to open SQL prompt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what I want you to do is the first table, that is your publisher table. Can you create it? Rohit? Try to
Ma'am, I
type
was
the
absent
command.
in last two classes, so I don't know the
You
attributes.
don't know the command for publisher.
No, ma'am, I don't know the attributes. I was not there in last.
Okay, I will show that attribute on the screen. That is fine, no?
Okay.
I will share it. Don't worry. Yeah. First table is publisher table. So only create the table. Is it screen visible, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Type that create table command. Because I want you to check whether it is working properly so that we move on to the next step. Over. Everybody is able to create a table. Over. Any doubt? Rohit? Hello? Hello, Rohit? Vinaya,
No doubts, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you are getting what is the after typing what it is showing?
Ma'am, I'm getting a syntax error.
What error it is giving? Tell
In
me what is the error you are getting.
you have an error in your SQL syntax. It's showing the syntax error for the data type number.
For the number, it is showing. Rohit, for you also, is it showing the same?
Yes, ma'am.
It is showing error for number. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, but it should work. Number of size you have given, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it should work. Anybody else has the same error? Hello? Okay, already it is 1-8. You have another class. Which class do you have now? Vinaya?
Ma'am, we have a 2.
1 to 2 is my class only, no? Okay, I can spend another 2-3 minutes. I thought somebody else. Okay, sorry. I preponed it. No, okay, fine, no problem. Now, what error exactly? Can you just share the screen? Any one of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
I will stop sharing from my end. Then you share. Let me see. Who will share? Vinaya. Okay. Can you zoom it little? Create table publisher name where care of 15 address where care of 15 phone number of 10 constant become primary key name. Semicolon. Output runtime error. Input content error at line number 5. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds to your MySQL server version. So, your number of 10. Number of 10 constant becomes okay, you do one thing is at present just put it a integer, only integer, no need of putting size. It will take 138 size bytes. Let us try whether that will work. Just rewrite
For
again.
phone, ma'am.
Only for number, you type integer. Only integer you write. Let us see. Remove that bracket, everything. Not right. Did it say table created?
That's it, ma'am. It's not showing any output. But there are no
Output
errors.
only. Click on that output.
Then
Is
it is
there any
a,
option? Huh?
No, ma'am.
then table is created, ma'am. Something should be inserted and so on. Means description of the table can be seen.
That is okay, but then why it should tell no table created also? It should show saying that it is created. Okay, anyway, you try to say DESC, Vinaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Just type DESC.
Where, ma'am?
One more
Below that,
command in SQL prompt. You should come to SQL prompt back.
In the input, ma'am.
Input, no, just to type DESC, that is again an SQL command, DESC space, one more command, how to do there. What is that plus? I think plus is there, no, on the top. You just say plus. Will it allow to add one more screen to type? What it did?
It just created a new file.
In the same file, main SQL, you just type below.
Let us see. Type DESC space publisher.
Space.
Publisher, name of the table. Publisher, semicolon. It should show the structure. It is showing.
Yeah,
See
it is
here?
showing.
Yeah, it is showing the structure of the table. Listen, all of you are able to do this? Hello? Put in chat, all of you. Are you able to do till this step? Instead of number, you put integer. I think MySQL does not take number, but when you do SQL with respect to Oracle, it works number of size. Anyway, let us use integer, no issues at present. Okay, so DESC is nothing but description of the table structure. So the command is DESC table name semicolon. So here you can see there are 3 attributes in publisher table. So it is showing that column name as field and the data type as type, and null indicating whether it is a null, not null or null value which is accepted or not, and then depending upon which particular key it is and whether it is a primary key or not. Okay, so it is going to display that. So we see the data type as varchar for name and address. For phone it is showing integer, and in case of our name and address it is saying that name is a primary key and it cannot be null. But address, we have not specified it, it should not be null, so it can be null. And similarly, with respect to phone number, it is showing null value with respect to yes, and default value is null for the phone number. Okay, this is how you see the description of the table. Now, one more important point I want you to do it. In Google, you just go to Unified Modeling Language, UML diagram, you go. Just type UML diagram, all of
Me,
you.
ma'am.
UML. You can also do that in Google search, so that anyway your screen is visible to all of us. So just go to Google and then say UML diagram. I just wanted to tell you that you have to draw an class diagram for that. Go to class diagram in that. Yeah, come down. UML class diagram. Yeah. Because for every program you are supposed to draw it. UML class. Yeah. Can you zoom it little, please? Yeah. All of you are able to see this little bit more. Yeah, sufficient. Listen, all of you. Yeah. Just little more down. Yeah, sufficient. So here, yeah. Okay. This is called as a class diagram, UML class diagram, that is Unified Modeling Language. So for our program also, we are supposed to draw this UML diagram. So how many tables are there will be indicated. For example, in this case, customer is one table, order is another table, special order is another table, normal order is another table. So I want you to draw the table with respect to book authors, publisher, book copies, book lending, and library program. So under that particular table name, you are supposed to write the attributes. You need not have to write the data type. You only write the attributes. For example, if you write instead of customer, you write it as the first table which we created, that is publisher, and inside that particular box you write name and address and phone. So I don't want it to be division of two parts. You write only the data type, no need of data type also. I want only the attribute name. So here in this case, it is showing the member functions also. I don't want to show the member functions. I will be only showing the data variables or data members. That is your object oriented concept. Okay. So we are only showing the attribute names without data type, and we are not showing the member functions there. So first we will write publisher. Instead of customer, we will write publisher, and only one division I will draw after that particular publisher, which includes name, address, phone number, and I will underline name. Similarly, I will draw for all the tables and then link the foreign key and primary key, indicating PK for primary key and FK for the foreign key. Can everybody draw it? Yes or no? There is an option of creating your own UML diagram. Go to Google search drawing UML class diagram. It will allow you to draw it. Try to draw in 5 minutes and we will stop. Somebody should display it and then we stop with this particular UML diagram for the first program. Are you getting what I am telling, Vinaya? Can you only try that?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to Google search and say creating UML class diagram. So there are so many tools available for that. You can use it and draw it. Please draw it here only. Parallelly, everybody can check. Yes, you are able to do it. Are you able to draw, Vinaya?
Ma'am, my the tab is not loading.
Not loading. Okay, fine. Now, is that clear what you're supposed to do now with respect to the first program? You do this as a homework. We'll discuss tomorrow related to UML. Keep your UML ready tomorrow. All of you should do that. Online, it is possible to draw your UML diagrams. But I don't want complications as shown here. I don't want the methods here. I want only the name of the tables at the top, and only one division after that will be the attribute names. Underline the attributes which are primary key or composite primary key, and then draw the link between the foreign key and primary key. Whichever is the primary key, you have to show the arrow towards the primary key, and whichever is foreign key, you have to only show the line. That is what I want. Try to do that as a homework. Okay, all of you can do it. It is possible, free. You have to sign up free and then do it. You can do it by tomorrow. We will be able to discuss about UML, what you have drawn. One of you should present it or show it what you have drawn. So everybody else also, if any doubts are there, we can clarify those. In the next class, we will see how to insert the values inside the database. Okay, so for today, we will stop here with respect to the creation of tables of the first program and then the UML diagram. So please try to draw it online. It is very easy to draw it. Don't want any complicated diagram. I want only the table names, attribute names, and the primary key foreign key linking. That's it I want. So try to draw it. The class diagram you search how to draw the class diagram online. You will be able to do it. Okay. Please do it. Tomorrow we'll have a discussion on UML and then go for insertion of data. Now I'll take attendance. Today is 19th. Rajas,
Present, ma'am.
Varun, Pratik, Shingamba,
Present, ma'am.
Sudeep Suman, Vishrat,
Present, ma'am.
Hitaishi,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan, Prabal,
Present, ma'am.
Pranjal, Prasanna,
Present, ma'am.
Pratibha,
Present, ma'am.
Praveen,
Present,
Praveen.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ನೀನು ಪ್ರೀತಿ
Ma'am, she's present. She's not able to
yeah
unmute
yeah
her mic.
I marked Rakesh is present. Raksha,
Present, ma'am.
Raksha is present. Okay. Rakshita Patil, Ramandeep, Riya,
Present, ma'am.
Rishika,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Rohan Kamble,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay. Rohit Jumnani,
Present, ma'am.
Rohit Kumar Das, present.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ruchita, yes. Ruchita,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavana,
Present, ma'am.
Vandana,
Present, ma'am.
Sairin,
Present, ma'am.
Samir,
Present, ma'am.
Sampan,
Present, ma'am.
Sanjay,
Present, ma'am.
Sarita,
Present, ma'am.
Saurav Kumar, Saurav Raj, Sheikh Abdul, Shailendra, Shashwat John, Shaurya Agarwal, Shiva Singh, Shivangi, Shivani, Shlok, Shreyoshi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Shresht,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Shreyan, Shreyan, Shriharsha,
Present, ma'am.
Sushant, Shivam, sorry, not Shivam, Sham, Siddhartha,
Yes, ma'am.
Shrikant, Sugandhini,
Present, ma'am.
Suhas, Suhas ji, Suhas Aitar,
Present, ma'am.
Sujit,
Present, ma'am.
Sumant,
Present, ma'am.
Sushma, Sushma, Tanmay, present.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Teja,
Present, ma'am.
Tushin,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Umama, present. Vaishnav,
Ma'am, one present.
yeah, I marked. Yeah, Vaishnav present, yes. Varun, Vinaya, present. Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
where were you for 4 days, 5 days?
Ma'am,
Vishwas, yeah, tell me Vishal. Yeah, Vishal,
ma'am, I was not well, ma'am.
not well. How are you now?
Now it's better.
You're better. Okay, take
Yes,
care.
ma'am.
Vishwas, Pranav,
Present, ma'am. 126 present.
yeah. Sai Gokul,
Present, ma'am.
Yutika,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Where were you so many days? Mohammad Tahir, Kirti,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Malini,
Present, ma'am.
Monisha,
Present, ma'am.
Rani Supriya, Sagar, Sudha, Sudha is present? Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Suma,
Present,
yeah.
ma'am.
Mark.
Okay.
Suma present.
126
Yeah.
present, ma'am.
Thank you. Marked pa. Pranav, marked.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 96 present, ma'am. 96.
96. Shaurya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am, present.
96 Shaurya Agarwal. Okay, marked. Anybody else left out for attendance? Okay. So tomorrow's homework is your UML diagram should be ready. One of you should present your UML diagram. Who can present? Prasanna, can you do? And present tomorrow UML diagram for this program, the first program. Prasanna. Prasanna, are you there? Who will do it? Who will do it? One of you should be volunteer. Otherwise, I will tell who should do. Hello? Prasanna, you do it. Are you there online? I'm able to see you here. I don't know whether he is still there or not. Or anybody else interested in doing? Ria, can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You create one UML diagram for the first program. Only the name of the table and division with respect to data type and primary key, foreign key. Primary key should be used with an arrow and foreign key link should be only a line between the attributes. If there is a mistake, no issues. We will rectify it. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
is it
all of you
possible
should create
to-
UML diagram, but presentation will be done only by Ria. And then we will see whether everybody has done accordingly. And then we will move on for inserting the data and then using the query, that is the select command for the first program. Is that
Excuse me,
okay?
ma'am.
Yeah, Sampan.
Ma'am, 104 Shriyan Kashyap
has connected from the starting, but at the moment of attendance, he got disconnected and he was not able
Shreyan
to connect.
Kashyap, I have marked present.
Okay, ma'am.
I have marked present. Don't worry. I have marked. Okay? Don't worry about that. Because I am able to see here when all who I came, so that time I have marked him present.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah, Shreyan Kashyap is marked present. Anyone else is left out for attendance? Okay. So shall we stop for now?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, is it possible to create these UML diagrams in the downloaded SQL version?
Downloaded SQL version, you try it out. I don't know. I have not just seen for MySQL. You just try it out whether it is possible. If it is possible, you do it there only. No issues.
Okay.
I think there will be an option in drawing if GUI is available.
Okay, ma'am.
Graphical user interface should be available. I think it is there in MySQL. You just try it out.
Okay, ma'am.
You either try that way or online. Anything is fine. You try in MySQL only. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, then take care. Bye for now. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow, what time is the class? Again, 12 to 1, right? Tomorrow's
Tomorrow
class
first start.
also.
I'm first
No,
start.
tomorrow 9:30. Yeah, sorry. 9:30 tomorrow. Tuesday, no? 9:30 class tomorrow. Okay? Okay, then. Take care. Bye for now. I'll stop the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Take care. Bye. If any doubts are there, you please make a note of it. So we will discuss in the next class. Whether it is with respect to create command or whether it with respect to UML diagram, we'll have discussion tomorrow and proceed with the first program. Okay? Take care for now. Bye. And I think maybe tomorrow I will announce your marks also. DBMS marks. Okay? I'm still correcting, so I will announce it tomorrow. So let all of you be present when I announce the marks. Okay? Take care now. Bye.